Hello my fruity friends, fruity friends, and welcome to a tour to my fridge. Can you believe that this food is all for just one person? I'm a total foodie. I love food, I love to eat, and I need to have a lot of food in my house all the time. So let's see what we have here. We have some mustard here, which I love to eat with tofu. Then we have some wasabi. This is not opened yet. These are some I used to do lash extensions. I don't do them anymore, but I have glue. So this is like, if you need a lash extension glue, let me know. I can sell you this. And then we have some ketchup, because I love ketchup. I'm totally obsessed with ketchup. Then we have some soy sauce, some tamari. Oh, we love sriracha. Sriracha is the best chili sauce ever. Then we have some glöggi, which is like a traditional Finnish drink for Christmas. So this is pretty old. Maybe I should throw it away, but it's a very good drink. Then we have some balsamico. And here we have coconut almond drink. I love to eat this with my morning oats. Here's some apple juice from Lidl. This is another coconut drink, which isn't so good. I didn't like this one, so I'm using it for my smoothies, just to get rid of it. Here's some organic orange juice, which I use in my smoothies as well. And here we have some apple cider vinegar for, I put this in my hummus, which I make myself, or this bean cashew nut spread, which I make myself. Okay, so here we have a couple of sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes. I love to steam them in my Instant Pot. Here we have some more orange juice. Here is some pineapple, which I just cut this morning. Here's some dates, which I use almost daily. I eat them like this, or put them in smoothies, or make this amazing date syrup with just water and dates, and then I use it as like as a replacement for sugar in my morning oats. Okay, so let's continue. We have some tofu, which I bought yesterday. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna eat it tonight. Watermelon. It's gonna be cold, nice and cold, whenever I decide to eat it. Here we have some very old peppers, which I don't think are edible anymore. No, I think they're all bad. These wasn't so good anyways. I didn't like the taste. I like the red peppers much more. Here we have some dates, more dates. These are like, this is organic and this is not organic. Some grapes, some lettuce, a lot of lettuce. Let's see. And in there we have some hummus, leftover hummus, which I should throw away. It's been there like forever. And this I made this morning, so this is fresh, very good, fresh date syrup. Here we have some salad dressing made from balsamico, tahini, and some date syrup, I think. Yes. Here we have some organic red peppers, which I love. I love red peppers. These are my favorite. Yesterday I went to the forest to collect some wild herbs. I don't know what these are called in English, but they are very common here in Finland. You can find them like in your backyard, so you have to pick them once they have just opened up and like really small and fresh. So I already put this in my morning smoothie this morning, and I'm gonna pick them up maybe tonight and tomorrow as well, because now it's the time to pick these and eat them out. If I had a big enough freezer, I could freeze these and eat them during the winter as well, but I don't have. My freezer is like this small one only. Okay, some cucumbers we have here, and there's tahini, sesame paste tahini, some more lettuce. These are pickle, like pickle cucumbers, sauerkraut, some more orange juice, some more greens, hummus, also dates, some more hummus. I think I should throw this away. And then we have some kimchi, green curry paste. I bought this green curry paste from the Thai shop here in Hyvinkää. This was the one which was vegan. There wasn't any crab things or anything. Here we have peanut butter, I think. Yes, peanut butter. It's organic. It's very good if you put it in banana ice cream or if you make a chocolate smoothie out of bananas. Here we have some banana or apple sauce, and here's some green pepperonis which I haven't eaten in a while. I think these should go to the trash as well. Do you have anything else? I think that was it. Pretty much food for a lonely girl, don't you think? Well, I'm not a lonely girl, but I live alone. But I eat a lot as well. Yeah. So thank you for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to buy more organic greens and fruits and stuff. Just vegan, healthy stuff to make you feel amazing when you eat it. You feel just amazing and alive and energized. So now I'm gonna go outside to do some yoga and to film a yoga video and to do more visions. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day. Mwah! I love you guys.